What's up, YouTube? This is gonna be a lesson learned kind of video. I had the Tpms light on the dash. I took it to the dealer to pretty much, I tried to do the reset button. This is a 2015 Highlander. There's a reset button below here, and tried that. It didn't go off, so took it to the dealer. It was $140 to get it checked out, and they came back and said one of the Tpms sensors actually bad. I was like, man, I didn't, I figured it wouldn't be that expensive, but asked them how much it was. $290. Go ahead and call me dumb, guys. Tpms light is flashing. Replace Tpms. Parts 100, labor 145, with a grand total of $280. I cannot believe I just actually did this. This is why dealerships are called stealerships. So right after that, I called a Discount Tire to see how much it would be. $64.99. So learn from my mistake. Don't ever go to the dealer for TPMS, anything related to your TPMS light. That was probably the worst mistake of the year for me. Yeah, go ahead and lash me out for this one. So yeah, that is crazy for a TPMS. Well, there's my mistake. Hope you guys learn. Don't make the same mistake as me. This is my dealer right here. Some wonderful pricing. All right, that's it for today.